Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is a new crochet style. This is the mini twist and I like it. So let's go into the video so you can see how I did it, how I got here. I really like it. So stay tuned, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. And yes, there's another video. It's not a crochet style that is coming next. I think it's the what is it? It's either gonna be a heart of palm pasta salad, or it's gonna be a zucchini and chicken fried rice. It's one of those two videos that will be coming either before this or after this, or maybe one will become before and one will come after, but those videos will be coming up next. So subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And my channel is will be this channel that I created is for hair, natural hair, food stuff, different type of food, and travel. And yes guys, it's the blinds that you're hearing, it's the wind, but it's such a nice breeze. I can't even close the window, I'm just enjoying the breeze. See you guys in a few.
So yeah, there's a ton of stuff stored downstairs, but at least it's out of the way, and if it's out of sight, it's out of mind.
Okay guys, for this hair I'm using the dry shampoo. I'm spraying it on the hair, and I will also spray it when I use it in my hair. Okay, this is the hair that I'm using, and I'm spraying them. I spray each one of them, the front, the back, the side, whatever angle I can get, especially on the loops guys. I had to do the loops. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll do a crochet twist, mini twist. Let's start. Okay, I already did the braids for the twist out, and I did it different. Look at it from this side. See, I did the two from this way. I put the two this way, crossway from the bottom, and this side I did this. So this time I took the braid and I went all the way back this way. You can see, and then I have, and guys, I'm getting good at this now, because now I keep the braid in. I twist, I crochet the braid, the end of my braid inside the other hair, and it stays nice. Yeah, I'm getting there. Okay, this is the mini twist that I'm using. You guys will see the picture in the beginning, on the beginning of it. So it's pre-looped, which I think that's got my attention. There. So let's start. And this is my crochet needle. Get one out of it. I'm going to use my favorite one, and also my favorite colors, you know, me and my fluorescent colors. Okay. I'm going to put it through the hair, loop it, close this, pull it out. There we go, see? Undo that. And then I'll do a double twist. One here, twist it, and then pull it, and then just close it. Do another one. I'm liking this one, guys. It's easy. I'll do another one, put it in through here, crochet needle through here, hook the loop in, close it, pull it out, unlock, and then there we go. And double. And there we go. I add my little bottle. I have my oil in there, and then I'm gonna just take it and put it right in between my hair, and that's how I'm gonna be moisturizing my hair. See, and keep the oil right in there. I don't use a lot of oil during the summer. Okay, that will do good. And then I'll moisturize using my Shea Enhanced Smoothie or the Lux cream, butter cream that I have. It's also Shea, from the Shea Moisturizing Company. Alright. Oh guys, and the size of hair, the length of the hair that I'm using is a 12 inches. Yeah, 12 inches. I wasn't getting any longer. I was trying to find a 10, but I couldn't find 10. So I had to end up with the 12, but that's okay. It still have a good length. I could work with this. Any longer, I'm gonna be in some major trouble with that. So, and I ordered 5 packs. 5 packs of hair that I ordered. So let's see how much I'm gonna use. Okay guys, I'm not going to go too close to my edges because I'm not trying to mess them up. No. So I'll go as far as I can go. I'll do another one in between here. Somewhere here. I am not trying to mess up my edges. No. Close. And loop. And out. And do the double. 1. Okay guys, I did. This is what I got out of using 2 packs of hair. I did all of this with 2 packs. So I think I'll have extra hair. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Be back. Done. Cut the sides, the back. Not bad, not bad at all. Not bad. So, I'll be right back. I'm trying to do something about the edges. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, this is what it looks like. I had it all up in a ponytail. I had to run some errands. Well, around the corner. I had to take a quick run around the corner. I just put it up. Okay, give you guys a quick view of what it looks like. That's how the side of it look. And the back. Another front view. And the side. I like it. I'm not sure how long I'll keep this one in. I actually kept the short one in for 3 weeks, guys. 3 weeks. Yes. Yep. And it did not itch. I did the moisturizing and that's it. My oil treatment. Hi guys. Um, just a little note out there. If you guys want to see what I'm up to when I'm not on YouTube, you can catch me up on Instagram or on Facebook, whichever one of them. I usually check both of them. I also do my weekly meal prep. So I usually post them on both on Instagram and on Facebook. But if you guys have a menu or something you guys want me to cook, don't be afraid. Just stop me. You can either put it, sometimes YouTube allow you to do it in the comment section. But if they don't, you can catch me on my Instagram page or my Facebook page. Just give me a shout out there and I'll got you. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave everything I used, all the products, the name and everything in the description below. Don't forget to take a look down there.